Welcome back, everyone. Today's news is very interesting. Tensions are rising around the world. US-Iran talks have failed. Oil prices are going up. But Bitcoin is still standing strong above $78,000. The question is, how is this possible? And is this a bullish signal or just a trap? Let's dive into today's major market and macro news in detail. First, let's talk about the price. Today, April 24, 2026, at 10:00 a.m. UTC, Bitcoin is trading at $78,250. Yesterday, Bitcoin tried to touch $79,000, but it got rejected and came back down. But listen carefully. When it came down, it did not fall below $77,000. What does this mean? Bitcoin is currently in a tight range, between $77,000 and $79,000, and this range is yet to break. The question is, how is this possible, and is this a bullish signal or just a trap? Let's dive into today's major market and macro news in detail. Now let's talk about the tensions, what is happening in the news. Number 1, US-Iran talks stalled. Negotiations have stopped. There is no agreement between the two sides. The market is afraid that a war might break out in the Middle East. Number 2, oil prices jumped. Crude oil went up 3% yesterday. When oil goes up, investors usually pull money out of risky assets like Bitcoin and put it into oil. Normally, in a situation like this, Bitcoin should have dropped to $60,000 or $65,000, but it didn't. So the big question, why isn't Bitcoin crashing? 2 reasons. Reason number 1, Israel-Lebanon ceasefire extended. President Trump signed an extension of the ceasefire. This means the immediate danger in the Middle East has reduced slightly. The market feels some relief. Reason number 2, inflation is cooling. The US inflation numbers that came out this week were lower than expected. This means the Federal Reserve now has a reason to cut interest rates in June. If rates are cut, the dollar weakens and Bitcoin becomes stronger. Traders are already pricing this in right now. And today, April 24, there is a massive event. $9.8 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options are expiring today, by late tonight, around 11:30 p.m. UTC. These options were placed by traders last month. Their strike price is around $78,000. What does this mean? Tonight, we could see a mini storm. Either the price pumps up to $79,500 or it dumps down to $76,000. But right now, the momentum seems to be upward. So here's the final takeaway. Bitcoin is standing at $78,000. There are tensions, but the price is stable. The market sentiment is fear. The fear and greed index is only 39 out of 100. Remember this, when everyone is scared and the price isn't dropping, that is hidden strength. My opinion, in the short term, we will see volatility tonight, but for the long term, this could be an accumulation zone. Set your stop loss, don't FOMO, and yes, watch the news, but watch the chart even more. Do you think Bitcoin will break $80K tonight or drop back to $75K? Let me know in the comments. If you want more analysis like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Trade safe, bye.